I'd say being in a blended family, the hardest part is the beginning. It's raw, it's emotional, it's difficult, you're getting used to new people.
Step families are born of loss. Coming together and making a blended family work and crossing that divide into making it successful is quite tricky.
So you've met your partner, you're really happy, you're moving on, you may be moving in together, things are going to be great, or are they? Don't expect it to be perfect. Don't expect the children to love you immediately. The children have had losses. The children need to mourn what used to be their family, and things have changed. Everything's sort of moving about and shifting. So give everybody time to do that. They will do so at their own pace. Don't expect them to be where you are with your partner. Recognising it takes probably 4 years as the average for a step family to form. So, you know, don't rush things. You know, you might have been together 2 or 3 years, but you're still on a journey.
You may go into the step family as a step parent and assume you're going to be something. Maybe it's a surrogate mother. Maybe you want to be the bonus mother. Or maybe you want to be nothing at all to those stepchildren. But also, you're dealing with the children's expectations of you.
If I ask you what a mum is supposed to do, or a dad, a biological mum or dad, most people have a great idea, we all know. But if I ask the same people what's a stepmum, what's a stepdad, I'd probably get different answers. My own research found that stepmums have significantly higher anxiety than biological mums. This confusion with role, not knowing what they were supposed to do. Were they supposed to, you know, take more control in the house? Were they supposed to be more integrated with the children, leave the children to the biological parent? Think about what you're comfortable doing. Are you comfortable spending more time with the children? The important thing is to talk to your partner, work out what role you have in your family. There are no rights and wrongs, but it is important that you both agree.
With my stepsister, it took about a year until we started feeling like proper family, and I do consider her now like a full sister and someone I can go to kind of in a time of need. It probably as well took a year until we started bickering like you do over clothes and shoes mainly, and I think that's when you can really tell that you're starting to feel like a family, when you feel like you can just lose your rag at someone if they borrow your crop top.
Step families are often very busy homes. There can be children from both partners, there can be children from the new partnership. They may not all get on. Again, that's really common. Siblings don't necessarily get on. Try finding ways of engaging all the children. So try and develop something to do, an activity with each of the children so they can feel special. They can develop a relationship with both their parent, their biological parent, and also the step parent. So find a thing to do. It might be going out on a bike ride, it might be making cakes together, whatever works in your family. Each family member will come into this new family with different memories, but you want to make your own memories as a family. So bring everyone together, and that should start to bring everybody to feel a sense of belonging. Some of you might have heard the term Disney dad. It's a term that people use where the biological dad sees his kids perhaps at weekends or holidays, and he feels that he's got to make it the best time ever. So his children are coming, he's missed them, and he just wants to make up for the time when he's not with them. It can mean that that time becomes just fun time, and that's not real and it's not sustainable. Don't let the children be feeling that I'm only going to Dad's because of what he's going to give me. This will be a new present, we're going to go and do something great. That shouldn't be the case. It's fine to treat your children, but not all the time.
When people ask me if I am upset about my parents divorcing, I would say no, like never. I'm so happy now my parents are happy in respective relationships, and I gained a younger sister and 2 older brothers, and for me now having that, like that's worth, you know, maybe a year or 2 of some quite hard times, but now I look back and I think, wow, you know, that's great, I've gained all of this.
So most step families have this a period where they're trying to sort of not be a step family, they just want to blend in. And it's not about blending in, it's about being who you are. Enjoy it, and you'll find, you know, as you develop, as you integrate, you'll find your own norm and your own happiness.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell to receive notifications for new videos. See you again soon.